before everything happened, but this plug's junk right there, so I just took it out, and I just got one from Lowe's and a cover where it went right there, and a remodel box. And I got some real thin remodel boxes for inside. I'm gonna keep one in spare with me, but I'm pretty determined that this plug was junk, going bad. So I took the multi-tool, Milwaukee multi-tool there. You guys can see that I already got this hole cut out for this box. We just did a remodel box in there and be good. This here was under $2, them plugs, and I looked on Amazon. They want over $20 for an RV plug, which is cheap and junk anyway. So I'm gonna just as they go bad, I'm gonna replace them with that, and I think it'll be fine. I just put them thin boxes, electrical boxes, inside where the wall's a lot thinner, and it'll be fine, I think. So alright, I'm gonna get this thing put in here. Alright, that's it. Ready to cruise. So God, they're seeing pretty good. Probably better than that, but apparently not. Little dummy. That ain't gonna work out very well. Kinda hope you guys didn't see that. Not even sure how I did that, but probably because I can't see, but it happens. Oh, no way. I did. Yeah, I really think this is the day to wire. I'm gonna show you what I did on one plug. I'll show you guys what I did. It's just one of them days, doing everything wrong, but if you guys can see, I might get you out there in the light. That little piece right there, stick a screwdriver in there and snap that off. But that little piece, it's made to break off if you want to put like a light switch on one side, leave the other side hot. But I don't think I've ever broke one of them off in my life. Until now. I don't think I ever put a hot wire for a ground either, but Probably just better double check everything as I go. The way the day's going. You come over to see this. You bent, Jax. You bent. Your ears are down. Yeah, I probably should just quit today. Might be better if I did. I'm not sure how much fun that would be if I did. Same thing I did last time. I broke that little tit off of there. If you guys are in a good spot or not, kind of. Let's see what that mess will do. Probably don't break off. That's my first guess. That might work till the first pothole. I don't know if I could see. It did work. About as third as the other one. Okay. I'll get you guys free there. See in there. Hope you guys could see all that, but plugs in, and the one in there, all I gotta do is buy. I'm gonna just buy a thinner remodel box to stick in that one, and it'll work out fine. So, but I'm gonna turn the power on and see what I do. Now I think on the next one, I think I want to trim that box down a little bit. It'll probably help with these thinner. I melted it. That's on. Wind so strong, couldn't hear it. Huh. Okay. So that one works. So, alright, we got some lights on in there. So, I'm gonna run you guys back in and show you before I clean this mess up. It's kind of hard to see a little bit ago. But, that's the kitchen. That's telling you about. And I probably might just wait till next week and do that, but I just filled that full of woods glue. Got a hole, and I cut me some little toothpicks and I drove in there. And I'll show you next week. I'll put the door on when I get back out here. Got to finish that project. I got to finish this project. If you guys can see, that's the three-way valve, goes to the pump and down to the tank, and that's how you winterize the two. But I broke that hose coming off of there, so I got a new one of those, and I got two lower point valves I made up, and that's ready to go on outside, so I can just flip two valves in the winter time. And I'll show you guys on this. So this was Jack's little mishap he had, but we ain't gonna blame him for this because he really had to go bathroom when we went around, so he was trying to get out. But I bought some of this. Now I don't put a little bit of that on there, but I sanded that right there. That's pretty smooth. It ain't as bad as I thought it was. So I'm gonna put a little stain on that and call that good. So when I'll show you when I do that. So, alright, that's gonna do it for this video till next week, and I'll bring you back in when I finish this camper up. So, hope you liked, and thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next week when we finish this camper. Thanks for watching.